Hello students, this is a very special lecture for all the mechanical engineering students. As you know, the mechanical engineering is the oldest branch of engineering and we used to say the mechanical is an evergreen branch. But it is a very common question in front of all the students who are pursuing mechanical engineering or who are pursuing any other engineering branch, what to do after graduation. Or this is a very common problem for every engineering graduate. Every students want a shining career after engineering, but it is very difficult to find a good opportunity. So here in this video I am going to discuss about what to do after mechanical engineering. One fascinating feature of mechanical engineering is its application-based feature. That's why mechanical engineers are always in demand. We have numerous options to choose after graduation in mechanical engineering. So here I am going to discuss about best option which we can prefer after engineering so you can follow a right path. Mechanical engineers are involved in various fields like design, manufacturing, testing, analysis, control, maintenance, operation and marketing of mechanical system. Mechanical system is basically a system with movable parts and it is applicable in every field from automobile to medical and from nuclear technology to aerospace. A mechanical engineering graduate will have a knowledge in design, drafting, structure, computer application and its softwares, mathematics, physics, electronics, electrical and bits and pieces from every other type of engineering branches. So we can say the mechanical engineers can grab a job in every field of engineering. There are hundreds of careers available for mechanical engineering in the field of automobiles, robotics, design, manufacturing, aerospace, etc. So if you have completed your degree and your first preference is job, then best option is to choose PSUs. Around 15 plus PSUs are recruiting mechanical engineers every year through GATE. So you first prepare for GATE, get a good score in GATE, then you are eligible to apply in PSUs like NTPC, DRDO, ISRO, IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, etc. There are a lot of PSUs. So if you have a good score, then you are directly appear in interviews and all the PSUs are giving CTC around 7.5 lakh per annum. In private sectors, many companies like Maruti, Tata Motors, General Motors, Toyota, L&T, Mahindra and many more companies are also recruiting mechanical engineers every year on attractive packages. So if you don't have a good score in GATE or even score in GATE, you don't worry, you can go for private firm also. And the average starting salary in private sector is around 10 to 25k per month. If you have knowledge in the field of design, then your possibilities of jobs are more in private firms. So for design field, you have to learn some softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, Unigraphics, ProE, PDMS, Hypermesh, ANSYS, etc. There are lot of softwares which is related to mechanical engineering. If you know or if you have the knowledge of some of the software of design, so your entry in design field will be easy. Mechanical engineers are not only design the system, but they are also responsible for testing, maintenance, manufacturing and marketing for the mechanical systems. So you also have multiple job opportunities in these fields also. Some of the companies are also offering internship, so it can help the fresher to get the industrial knowledge also. If you want to go for higher studies, then you can opt for master's degrees like MTech, MBA, MS, etc. If you opt for MTech in India, so you have to appear in GATE, you have to crack the GATE first, and if you have a good score in GATE, then you can go for MTech from most reputed colleges across India like IITs, NITs, BITS, there are etc. There are a lot of colleges who are offering MTech courses of mechanical engineering, where you can opt different branches of mechanical engineering for your specialization, like thermal engineering, design engineering, automobile engineering, industrial, manufacturing, CAD/CAM, material technology, metrology, energy engineering, mechatronics, etc. If you prefer management field, then you should go for MBA. So for that you have to appear in CAT and other management aptitude test to get admission in different reputed colleges across India for MBA, like IIMs. And if you are working anywhere, if you are working in any industry, then it is a plus point for you, because most of the business schools are considered work experiences. If you would like to pursue master degree from foreign universities, then you need to appear in GRE. Then you can apply in different universities of Japan, USA, Germany, China, UK and other countries. If you are interested in research field, then go for PhD courses. There are very few people from engineering background is opting PhD. So there are lot many opportunities for PhD holders are available in India as well as in foreign countries also. So we can say the PhD is also one of the best option for dignified career. Apart from research in mechanical engineering, there are new areas of research are also introduced for research, like nanotechnology, energy conservation, biomedical, etc. One point I want to add here, the PSUs are not only recruiting mechanical engineers through GATE, but they are also recruiting the engineering student who are from other branches like electronics, electrical, computer, IT, civil, etc. So if you are doing engineering in other field like electronics, electrical and any other field, you are also eligible to apply in PSUs through GATE. So this was the special lecture for all the mechanical engineering students who are looking for good career, and I hope it will help you to decide what you would like to do after your engineering or after your mechanical engineering. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe the channel for more lectures.